Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my weekly predictions and analysis for crude oil and natural gas. What a week it was when the crude oil has entered into a bearish territory, and as I shared below 7400 we can see it breaking rather below 7500. If you recall my last week's prediction, I said the title thumbnail itself was extremely indicative that we are looking forward to a sale, and below $75 I had predicted 7000 it can achieve, and it can in fact go well below 68. That is what exactly has happened. And natural gas on the other hand has acted quite bullish, where 5500 the next resistance level, it has come towards this resistance level. So what is going to happen this week, we are going to look with the help of the charts and indicators. Those who are new to the channel, let me share that I provide my daily and weekly analysis for major global markets and commodities including gold and silver and crude oil, natural gas, and markets which includes US 30, US 100, Germany 40, UK 100, Nifty, Bank Nifty. So press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis and updates. Definitely it will help you in your trading related decisions. Now let's have a look at the natural gas. And as I shared last week, this level at 4800 has again become crucial for natural gas, and we have seen a good bounce back from these levels. Now look at this. Now this level at 5500 to 5600, rather I will say 5500, any rise past 5550 will be again a good indication that we can expect it to head back towards 6000 levels or $60 level. Else it might try to come back again and go well below 45 in the coming days or coming weeks. So this level at 4800 or $48 is extremely crucial. I had shared last week that this level might provide it a good support, and that is what exactly has happened, and we have seen this happening again. So look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts you can find that higher highs and lower lows. However, the pivot is at around 5200 and the high at around 5550. So probably if it breaks 5550 this week, then you can go long, else it can again come back towards 52 and then head back towards 4600 levels also. So on the monthly charts, the candle will try to trade and close in red probably. So from here we will be looking forward to a little drop, and from 5550 levels, that is what I had said, from 5550 levels we can expect it to drop. We can expect it to close somewhere here at 5200 or 5400 levels, and from there the next candle will start, the monthly candle, which might take it towards 4500 in the month of December. At the same time, we should not forget the previous or higher highs. This time, this month, it has refrained from achieving the highs and traded in red, and hence probably any trade or any drop below this level at 4800 will definitely be a good indication that the next month it will be heading towards 4500, and in fact can go well below, well towards 4000 levels also, or $40 level also. So look at the indicators on the daily charts. If you look at the indicators, you will find that still very much above the 100-day moving average, is getting a support and remaining bullish. That is what natural gas is doing right now. But yes, if it drops below 4800, we can expect it to drop significantly towards 4500 and $4040 level in the month of December. Now on the daily charts, again overbought, and hence we can expect it to drop a little. That is what I had said. The monthly closing will be towards 5200, and then 5400 to 5200 zone, that is in next 2 days you can expect it to drop, and from there it might again try to uh, take a beating, and the next monthly candle will try to open in red, and we can expect it to head towards 4800 4600 levels, and from there we can expect a rise in the month of December. This is the trading pattern which you can expect. Also, you should not forget the MACD lines have recently crossed over and are widely divergent, and hence any rise past $55 will be a good indication to go long. 5550 will be a good indication to go long. The RSI is comfortable here on the daily charts. Considering this, let me give you the levels. So any rise past 5550 will be a good indication that you can go long. My next target 5700 and 6000, and beyond that it can go till towards 62 50 levels. Beyond that, yes, sky is the limit, but whether that will happen or not, that remains. If it go past by 5500 and 5700, this is after this we can remain extremely bullish on natural gas. And at the same time, I expect it to head back towards the first support at 5400. Now after that it will head to 5210. If it you see it breaking 5210 again, you can go short. After these levels we can remain short for the month of December. And yes, you can expect it to head back towards 4800 and 4600, and in fact well below. It can go till 4400 and below levels also. So yes, be watchful of this level between 5500. This is the level. Below that you can remain short. If you see it breaking in the first day, you can expect first day of the next trading session, you can expect it to head back towards 5200 and 4800 levels also for the next week. So remain short below 5500 and go long above 5550. You can expect it to head towards 5700 and 6000 levels. So this is all for natural gas. Now let's move towards crude oil. The crude oil, see, it has got its support at 75. See, I had told 75. Below 75 we can expect it to see a good drop. It did rise below beyond 75, again went till towards 79, and then sharply dropped well below 6800 levels. I had always said this level, breaking this level, we can expect exactly happened. So this crude oil on the daily charts, if you look at, uh, you can see that it has got its support at 75. From there it has shown a rise, and from that level at 7800 7900, it has again shown a strong drop, and in last two trading session itself it has gone to $68. Now I had always shared below 75 you can always remain short. You can expect it to drop significantly. That is what exactly has happened. Now what it did is it has come back towards this consolidation zone. It has consolidation on this level for multiple days, and then we have seen a rise. It has again hit back towards this level, and from this level at 6800, now it is going to decide which direction to take. The next support will directly come towards 6500 levels. Any drop below 6500 will take it extremely, it will enter into a bearish territory. We will be looking forward to the levels at 6200 and 5800 levels. Now this is on the daily charts, and if you look at the weekly charts, now on the weekly charts you can find that in the long run it is still very much in this channel, and hence any rise beyond now 6900, if you see it rising beyond $70, again you can expect it to trade in this buy zone again, and it will remain bullish. Else breaking 60 breaking this zone at 65, or rather I can say breaking this zone at 68, you can expect that it will again head towards this. Now this is the weekly charts, and on breaking this zone at 6800 you can expect it to head towards 6200 levels. So probably in the week we might see it hitting 6200, and if it trades extremely bearish, the next support is at 5200 levels. So below 6800 we can remain short. That is what is the it is appearing from the weekly charts. And on the monthly charts we can see that a probability arises that it might will again go towards 7200, and rather 7500, and from there also we can see a good drop. But yes, any drop below 6800 very important for us. Any drop below 6800, so right now it is 6805, definitely rather you can say here it will take it towards 6500 and 6200 levels. Below that we can expect it to drop significantly for the month of December, and we can expect it to provide a stronger bearish candle, might take it towards $50 also in the month of December. So appears that critical level right now, at critical support level we are standing right now in when you talk about crude oil, and any drop below this level, the next support at around 6720, and then it will directly land to 6500 and 6200 levels. So let me give you the levels. Also let's have a look at the indicators here. So look at the indicators on the daily charts. You will find that oil is now trading well below 2050 and 100-day moving average, and in fact, it has entered into a bearish territory. The stochastic is comfortable, might enter into an oversold position. MACD lines are divergent. RSI hitting oversold position right now, and may it can go till towards 6500 to 6200 levels in coming days, and from there we might see a little rise. If it doesn't rise from 6200, you can expect it to drop heavily towards 5000, towards $50 in the month of December. So a probable expectation that it might sustain this. So considering this, let me give you the levels here. Now if you see it rising past 7020, beyond this you can take a long towards 7210 and 7500. After this it will again enter into a buy zone. After 7, I will be bullish only after $75 or 7500 levels only, where we can again expect it to hit back towards 7800. Till the time it is below 7020, you can expect that the first support at 6800 will come into picture. Any drop below 6800, the next support at 6720. If it breaks 6720, you can again remain short for the entire week. You can expect 6500 and 6200 levels for the week itself. In fact, it can well go below that, which will take it towards the next support at 6000. And hence take your positions accordingly, friends. Any drop below 6720, you can remain short. Any rise below 67020, you can remain long. Right now it probability appears that we might see a good break towards 6500 at least, and then from there may try to rise back towards 7000, or else it continues to drop towards 6200 and 6000 levels. Again, a probability exists for either of these to happen. So this is all from my side for crude oil and natural gas. And if you want to gain the same expertise, reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. I have a 15-day session coming on, where you can definitely become an expert and independent trader with the help of strategies I provide, and the help of the expertise I share in those trading sessions will definitely help you become a professional trader. Reach out to me via email, or reach out to me via Telegram. Join my Telegram channel. The links are mentioned in the description, and that will definitely help you in your trading decisions. So thank you very much, friends. Have a great profitable trading week ahead.